Dear Mom Angie, my life without you is not complete because for me, you given me a light, hope, and encouragement. Your life fulfillment. I always turn my life on of you. When I have a problem, then you will always there to listen. Tapos kaya kong letter ni Mom Angie, guys. To listen my problem, to give advice, especially I am so down at my life, at my moment. You always at at the you always there you always there for me to give me hope and always comfortable me. The reason why I wrote a letter from Manji, guys. 7 pages. Ako naman, guys. Reason why I'm a full strange in my life of confidence and hope because of you, Mom and G. Because if my life feeling struggle in always at you always at my side for my upside and down in my life. Mom and G, even though you're so 1,000 miles away, a distance between you and me, even though you live at a far away cold place in somewhere in Alaska Anchorage. In cold places, but no matter what happens to me, I feel alone. I feel alone because Mom G will do everything to make me comfortable, makes me a better person, and most of all, to become a stronger person. Like because you teach me, I'll, if there's no surrender, only fight. Even though you're not always at I can feel it because your love and care for us, then paasa mo tong for. It is so real and unconditional and conditional love. The reason why, ako masang guys, the reason why I don't need for a figure in my life is because for me, I wrote letters to I read it, okay. Because for me, you're my mom and dad also. You're the best thing mom I ever had in life. Your love is really unconditional reason why I need for a father because you're my mom and dad also. You're the best mom I ever had in my life. You're that real and that's your brother and sister and daughter, grandson. We will always love you no matter what happened because last kay guys. Baklag, guys. Because even though you go far away and cold places somewhere in there in the Alaska Anchorage, and there are wolf dog and big bears at the Polar. Alaska Anchorage, I can feel that I don't have a mother at my side because always at my side. At my side, not me with your side, and not me without us. And you don't at my side without for your my hero, Mom Angie, because always our life. I'm live if I and live again. I stood time in the life again. What, okay, guys? How you give you you gave life with us that you can give me a good you will go in Dallas courage to be American man that you sacrifice your life, Ma'am Angie, so that you can give me a good dress, clothes to wear. I can go to private elementary, high school, college, and finish my pursuit to college, to finish my goal, my ambition in life. And I have a comfortable life and good houses and comfortable house and is like I can eat food. I want to eat foods na because want my life easier and comfortable every in short, magaan lang ang gusto mo sa buhay namin. Ma'am, Angie, all of us were lucky to have you, taas ka guys, to have you being our mother of our life. If I'm done wrong at life, you will pray me because like to be a better person. I remember when I was a kid, you teach me how to write my name and you teach me how to pray to God because on that time I know how to write my name and I know how to pray to God. And I was you to closer to God, like you're closer to God. You're so person. You always pray rosary day and every morning and every Sunday you will come niya. Kami mo pumi sa Lord. Gusto kami always go to mass every Sunday. You always pray every morning and night. Pray God to what to God, Manji, to say we have short life, short time, short time, short time, we've been together. Kasi page na we've been together. Mm, I want buy and sorry, I want buy and become children only. We together. Such a short time we've been together. Um, we've been together from baby, from me, baby, a children, and only from 1 years old, 11 years old, I have a mom. I can feel love her, love. I have my mom at my side. But when you told us we do your dance, you money is not hindrance because you will do everything to make my life easier and comfortable. Mom, I was really sad because it is day passes by. It's Christmas time and you're not around my anymore to my life, to our life. I have I have a car now. I wish I could you can ride my car or all golf car or a bike and I'm your driver. Mom, I want you mom wait me in the kabilang buhay. I know time will come. We will be together again and not on that and on this earth anymore. Ma'am Angie, in kabilang buhay, hindi na tayo magkawalay. magpakailanman, magsasama na tayo habang buhay. Ma'am Angie, you touch everyone's heart. Your relatives, friends, and families, brothers and sisters, and grandson, and 3 daughters, Anan, Gigi, me is Anan. You will always in our mind and heart. We will never forget you, no matter what will happen. Then how I wish that you can visit with us. Then we go to the big mall here in the Philippines, in the SMCT Seaside, Robinson G Mall, White Gold, Gesano, like that, together with Amaripi and your all families, your 3 daughters, Anna Gigi Chris, and your grandson, your all grandson, John Willie, Tutski, John Willie, Lance, Clark, Shan, and Jensen. You have 5 grandson. And how I wish, Mom, in this coming Christmas, we're so sad because you're gone already. You don't have at my side, our life anymore. Then how could we celebrate in Christmas, New Year, birthday, first time to celebrate Christmas, birthday, New Year. My birthday is December 28, same to Ate Gigi. Then how could we happier to celebrate Christmas? My birthday, Christmas, you're not here in our life anymore. You're so gone forever. Then how I wish we could. I'm delicious. I know how to bake a cake, ma'am. Delicious cake. I wish I could bake you a cake. Then Gigi also bake you a cake, and she's cook with you a delicious ulam foods, and also Chris and me. Then we go to the mall SM Ayala, the big mall, and we can eat our delicious food, expensive food. Then we will watch movies together. Then we will ride my car. I'm the one who drive you. Then on that time, we were so happy. Muna akong wish, ma'am, sa Christmas. All I want is Christmas is dedicated to you and kasadyakat mo sa araw ng Pasko. Sana nandito ka, Ma'am Angie. Ma'am, sad to say that God will giving opportunity to live again for only 11 years ago. I'm 11 years old. I have a mom only at my side because when I was 12 years old and until now, she's far away she went to the Alaskan Anchorage to marry American man. And she cannot go home, she cannot visit with us, we cannot see each other anymore until she will grow old and she will get sick and diagnosed and having she is admitted for 1 week stroke to the hospital and until she will die. Ma'am, I was very sad because we could not see again the personal. But someday, Gigi and me, Chris, we will wish that someday, if we will pass away on this earth and go to kabilang buhay like you, I wish ikaw mo kuha no, ma'am, kung sa times kay Matthew na mi, o kuan, I wish nga, ma'am, in the kabilang buhay, we will be together and dili na magkahiwalay pa kahit kailan. Magsama na tayo habang buhay, ma'am, doon. Hintayin mo lang kami, ma'am. At sana, kung mamatay man ako at mabuhay ako ulit, gusto ko ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong Ma'am Angie. Dahil yung pagmamahal mo sa amin, your love is unconditional. Kahit mawalan ka sarili mo, lahat ibibigay mo para sa anak mo. You're a best single mom I ever had. Then you'll do everything to make me happy, easier, to comfortable our life. Then sa time we have a problem, up and down, you will always say sa malayo, ma'am, hindi na kahit nasa kang na sa maraming na dog, hindi mo kailangan na sa amin na distance lang para sa ating pagmamahal. Kahit nasa ka, ma'am, mong lahat mo, naging mama ka pa rin sa amin. Tapos, lahat na binigay mo sa amin.